Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will discuss about the need of firewall. In our lecture, we will discuss about uh, what firewalls are, why they are important, different types of firewall, VPN, and distributed firewall. Firewall are the key part of network security because they help system from unauthorized access and cyber threats.
What is a firewall? A firewall is a network security device or software that monitors incoming and outgoing traffic. It follows predefined rules to decide which traffic should be allowed and which should be blocked. In simple words, firewall act like a security guard between a trusted internal network and uninterested external networks such as internet. कि फायरवॉल हमारे पास एक सॉफ्टवेयर है जो इनकमिंग और आउटगोइंग ट्रैफिक को मॉनिटर करता है प्रीडिफाइंड रूल्स की बेस के ऊपर। Why firewall are needed? Firewall are important for several reasons. The first one is they provide protection against unauthorized access. The second one is they help stop malware such as viruses and worms. The third one is they control network traffic by allowing administrations to decide which services and applications can be accessed. And the last one is they improve data security and keep record of network activity for monitoring purpose. Firewall characteristics. There are three main characteristics of firewall. The first one is single choke point, meaning all traffic must pass through the firewall. The second one is enforce security policies, which means only authorized traffic is allowed. The third one is resistance to attack, meaning the firewall itself must be secure from attackers. Access policies components. An access policy defines what traffic should be allowed or denied. It includes the source address, which shows where traffic comes from. The destination address shows where the traffic is going. The protocol can be TCP, UDP, and ICMP. The port number identifies services, and the finally action decide whether the traffic will be allowed or denied. For example, traffic from any source to a web server on port 80 and port 443 is allowed because these ports are used for web browsing. However, direct access to the internal database is denied for security reasons. Firewall rules are checked in order and the first match rule determines the action. Firewall can be classified on the basis of how they inspect traffic. The main types are packet firewall, stateful inspection firewall, application level gateway, circuit level gateway, hosting-based firewall, and personal firewall. Each type provides a different level of security and functionalities. Packet filtering firewall. Packet filtering firewall is the earliest and simple type of firewall. It checks packet header information such as source IP address, destination IP address, protocol, and port number. Based on rules, it either allow or block the packet. Packet filtering firewall has several advantages. They are fast, simple, inexpensive, and use fewer resources. However, they have also Disadvantage because they cannot inspect packet content, they are vulnerable to spoofing attack, and they cannot track connection state. Stateful inspection firewall. A stateful inspection firewall tracks active connection and stores information in a state table. For example, when a user opens a website, the firewall records the session and automatically allows return traffic. This method provides better security compared to simple filtering. The advantage of stateful inspection firewall are more secure than packet filtering, track active session, prevent unauthorized response, and the disadvantage is require more memory and more complex to manage. Application level gateway, also called proxy firewall, works at application layer. It acts as a intermediary between the client and server. The client और server के दरमियान में application level gateway होता है या proxy firewall होती है. Instead of communication directly with the server, the client sends requests to the proxy, which examine and forward them. The advantage of application level gateway are deep packet inspection, hide internal network, and strong security. And the disadvantages are slow performance and require more resources. Circuit level gateway. This firewall work at the session layer and verified TCP handshake. It checks whether a session is valid before allowing communication. It is faster than application gateway but cannot inspect application data. A Bastion host. A Bastion host is a specially secure system exposed to external network. It has a operating system, limited services, strong authentication, and continuous monitoring. It serves as a first line of defense against attackers. Host-based firewall. A host-based firewall is installed on individual computer or server. It controls incoming and outgoing traffic and monitor application. For example, Windows Defender Firewall. Personal firewall. A personal firewall is designed for home user and personal computer. It's block unauthorized access, monitor internet application, and alerts user about suspicious activities. Firewall location and configuration. Firewall can be placed at different locations. A firewall protects the organization from internal threat. An internal threat separate departments. Multi-layer firewall is provided defense in depth by using several layers of security. DMZ network. DMZ network is a separate network area used for public services such as web server, mail server, and DNS server. It protects the internal network by isolating public-facing system. Virtual private network, a VPN creates an encrypted connection over a public network. It allows employees to securely access company resources remotely and also connect branches office securely. VPN benefits and protocol. The main benefit of VPN are encryption, authentication, and integrity. Common VPN protocol include IP, SCS, SSL, and TLS, OpenVPN, and WireGuard. Distributed firewall. Distributed firewall applies security policies across multiple systems instead of relying on a single firewall. They provide centralized management, better protection, scalability, and support for mobile users. However, they can be complex to manage. In conclusion, firewalls are essential for protecting network from cyber threat. Different firewall types provided different level of security. Technologies like DMZ, VPNs, and distributed firewall further strengthen network protection. A strong firewall is the foundation of secure and reliable network security.